77 and 502.
Alrighty guys, what is going on everybody, and welcome back here to another live stream for today. We are kicking right off here with another severe weather event here across portions of Texas for today. Today is mostly isolated across areas of Texas. We are talking out there towards Dallas. So my friends out there in Dallas, we definitely have got to be on the lookout for severe weather here. What's up, everybody? Hope everyone's doing good. Let's go ahead and see who is here. We have ourselves Maple, we have Jazor, we have David, we have Logan, we have JC, we have Caden, we have Rain. Let's see, we have Melissa saying happy birthday. Thank you. Yep, today is my 21st birthday, believe it or not. Jenny's here. What's up, everybody? Hope everyone is doing all right. Let's see. Mickey says happy birthday. Well, thank you. Thank you, guys. Seriously, thank you all for all the birthday wishes and all of the very, very kind words. But what's up, everybody? So we have ourselves an enhanced risk for severe weather today. Like I said, we're going to be watching out here towards areas of Dallas. Over the last little bit, they did issue a tornado watch for areas of Dallas. You know, this does include areas towards like Dallas-Fort Worth, areas here towards like Waco. You guys are inside of the overall risk here. So to my friends out there towards Dallas, we are starting to see a bit of severe weather that's already starting to kick off here. When taking a look here at the radar view, you can actually see we have a group of severe storms that is actually popping up here across portions of Texas. Got a little bit of a discrete cell popping off here, basically just southwest of Dallas-Fort Worth. And we're already starting to see a lot of reports of hail come through from these storms actually throughout Dallas. If I was to pause this on the latest frame, you're going to notice all across areas of Fort Worth, we have multiple reports of hail ranging from quarter size to actually up into the ping pong ball size. So, like I said, we got ourselves a bunch of hail reports actually coming through here. And so here's the concern. So today, they actually updated this risk here at the last minute. It is now an enhanced risk. Like I said, it's a severe threat level 3 out of 5. Now, when it comes to today, here's the thing. We actually have ourselves all the hazards being on the table. We have potential for significant tornadoes being EF2 or higher. We have the potential here of some very large hail, as well as a potential for damaging winds. Now, if I was to take you guys over here to the actual Storm Prediction Center here for today's risk, which I'm going to go ahead and do right now, you can actually see we have this big old enhanced risk area here for basically kind of northeastern, portions of Texas here. So whenever it comes to tornadoes, we have a 10% significant risk, and this does include Dallas. So Dallas is in a pretty decently sized tornado risk here for today. Indeed, something we are going to be looking out for. So that is kind of what we are seeing here. Now, the overall tornado probability threat does not just include Texas. It also includes like south central Oklahoma, very far southern Arkansas, and areas here kind of in central and northern Louisiana. Also portions of like west central Mississippi is also in the risk here for severe weather. So that is kind of what we are looking at. That is kind of what we are actively seeing here. So, So that's what we're looking at regarding the tornado probability. Now, listen, when it comes to damaging winds, we have a 30% chance of seeing damaging winds. I'm going to turn down the weather radio. I did not mean it for it to be that loud. But we have ourselves a, let's see, back over here to the wind threat, 30% chance of seeing damaging winds, likely maybe 60, 70, or higher. Definitely could be a possibility. And in terms of hail, we have the same probability, if not a little bit larger of a concern. So main concerns today, tornadoes, number one threat, followed by some hail, definitely some large hail. We've already seen that kind of already being observed here in the latest frames. Like I said, here currently, all across like Dallas and stuff, all across, the Dallas region, we do have ourselves a bunch of reports I've been saying here. I mean, a whole bunch of them regarding the, the possibility there for some large hail has already been reported. We're talking over an inch, which is definitely interesting. Let's see all the happy birthday wishes. Thank you, guys. Really appreciated. So I love y'all out there. Thank you for that. Very, very sweet of y'all. How's it looking in Indiana? Right now, it's clear in Indiana. I mean, other than a few thunderstorms being possible today, but, I mean, not really much going on. But if you do know, when it comes to Tuesday, they did upgrade the risk here. Like I said, Tuesday is going to be a pretty nasty day here. We got ourselves yet again another severe weather event scheduled for, like, the Missouri region, our Midwest regions, Ohio Valley. Got an alert coming through here, y'all. Let's go and tune into this, see what's going on out there. I think it's another severe thunderstorm warning probably getting issued. But anyways, yep. All right, let's go ahead and tune in the radar too.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Okay, another severe thunderstorm warning here.
Southeastern Denton County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas.
All right, it'll take a second to update here, but we'll get it here in a moment.
It's 4:06 p.m. Central
Wow,
Daylight
golf ball size hail is reported here south of Fort Worth.
over Carrollton, moving north
There it is, right there.
5 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected.
So mostly,
Expect wind
so
damage
both on the quarter size hail and the 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts is kind of what we're looking at.
locations impacted include
Let's see, Moo with a $2 super chat. Thank you so much, Moo. Really appreciate it, and happy birthday, and thank you for everything. You are very welcome. Thank you for the $2 super chat. Very sweet of you.
Wiley, Coppell, The Colony, Farmers Branch, Satch C,
Okay.
Addison, Murphy, and Fairview. This includes Interstate 35.
Once again, Moo, thank you for that.
436 and 450.
Very sweet of you. Thank you for the donation.
Tornado watch remains in effect until 11
Okay.
p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Just talking about the tornado watch.
Texas. For your protection,
Yeah, they did issue a tornado watch here recently. You can see it on the bottom right-hand corner. Watch it pop up here in the latest frames. There it is, right there.
Now,
All right, we're going to turn it down. Yeah, but we got a new severe thunderstorm warning here in effect. Got some storms rolling through Dallas right now. Got a bunch of severe thunderstorm warnings on us. So we also got to watch out for these guys just south of Dallas. These guys look like they're lighting up pretty good. But anyways, let's see. Yeah, it didn't seem to be rotating. These storms are not rotating right now, which is good. Like I said, there is the threat for all hazards today. Another severe thunderstorm warning being issued. Almost back-to-back, huh? Almost back-to-back warnings here. All right, well, let's turn it back up. Let's see what's going on with this guy. So another severe thunderstorm warning. This is for Grayson, for Denton counties. Until 5 p.m. 5 a.m. would be a little bit of a long warning there. Yo-Yo just came to say happy birthday. Thank you, Yo-Yo. Let's see. We're going to turn this up a little bit. Just turn it up so y'all can hear it a little better.
was located near Pilot Point, or 14 miles south of Whitesboro, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar
I really messed it up now.
Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected.
All right, we're back.
Expect wind damage to roofs.
All right, so yeah.
Locations impacted include
That one I even have a little bit of rotation on it. You'll see that?
Gunter,
Right here is southwest of Gunter.
Norwood, Dorchester, Rain Lake, Valley
They
Lake,
do not have a tornado possible tag on it.
Ethel, Bonnie, Ida,
All right, well, we'll keep an eye on this storm here.
Luella, and White Mound. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For
Yeah, they've already
Central
talked about all
Texas.
that. We're going to turn it back down. So like I said, yes, they did end up issuing a tornado watch overall through Texas. They also did include like south central Oklahoma too. They did include like Lawton, those regions, Ardmore, like Otoka, yeah, all those surrounding areas. They do have that inside the tornado watch here. Like I said, obviously yes, this does include Dallas. Dallas, Fort Worth is kind of in the middle of it right now. Looks like on the satellite view, we got a little bit of a storm firing off here towards Cisco. Let's go ahead and switch over to the radar again. Let's go ahead and switch on over there. Let's see. KDYX. I think that's a close radar. All right, let's see. Reflectivity. Here we go. Oh, yeah. It's right next to the radar, actually. So we'll definitely be looking at that. Let's see here. Question, am I happy to hang out with my subscribers on my birthday? Absolutely. Absolutely. No, I was planning on going live today with you guys. What time do I think I'm going to be live on Tuesday? No idea. Ooh. Yeah, I would really not be surprised if eventually this cell that's kind of isolated, once again, just far west of Fort Worth, but kind of just south here of Albany. Let's see. Velocity. Okay, no rotation out of it, but I tell you what, definitely could be producing some gusty winds, if not a little bit of hail too. See, Abby says happy birthday. Thank you. Thank y'all for the very sweet birthday wishes. You guys are awesome. Thank you for that. Yep, so I would keep an eye on these cells here. Let's try moving down a little bit more to the south. This is just north of San Antonio. Yep, just north of San Antonio. Got a few other discrete storms popping off here. So, yeah, it's really those individual cells that you got to really consider watching out for. Kind of like those discrete storms. And let me actually bring y'all over here to the satellite view. Here's the current eyes in the sky right now. We're gonna bring this to sub-regional view so you guys can see like the big picture of things. Those big old puffy clouds that you're seeing is is basically right on the right where all the thunderstorm activity is kicking off there. Let's see. Justice, happy birthday! Thank you for that. Let's see. How about is Missouri? If you don't mind me asking. Missouri. Yeah, no, this is not for today. This is for not tomorrow, but for Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday is our risk here for Missouri. Right now, an enhanced for the northern side. Also, another enhanced on the southeastern side. Now, for today, like I said, there's no really big risk for severe weather. I mean, it could be possible. I mean, you are in a thunderstorm threat. It could be possible we might be able to see a few thunderstorms, but not really expected to produce anything crazy. But yeah, got more ding dongs coming through here. Let's see here. Public here in Texas reports $1.50 size hail. 1.25 inches. Delayed report. Oh, update severe thunderstorm warning too. Interesting. It's officially starting to get really hot in Utah. Yep, that's that time of the year, y'all. We're back in that season. It's gonna start to get pretty crazy, pretty hot out there. All right, we're gonna switch back here. Yeah, no, we got to keep an eye on all these storms out there towards Dallas. We're gonna switch over to this camera here, or this view. Yep. Now right now, a lot of these guys are for quarter-size hail. The ones here towards like northern Dallas here, the new one that just got issued is for quarter-size hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Being the main concern here. The one just north of that here is quarter-size hail, as well as 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. So that's that. Let's see, expires in 15 minutes. Gotcha. Let's see here. Matthew with a $5 super chat saying, happy birthday, buddy. Well, first of all, thank you for the $5. Say, have a blessed day. You as well. My daughter shares the same birthday as you. She was born at 12:54 a.m. this morning. Wow, Matthew, that is crazy. Wow, that is really cool. That is really, really cool. Well, first of all, Matthew, thank you for the 5, and congratulations. That is awesome. That is really cool. So, yeah, just know we share the same birthday. That's pretty neat. That is definitely pretty neat. Well, I'm very, very, very happy for you, Matthew. Congratulations on that. That's pretty cool. But thank you once again. Very, very, very nice of you. Let's see here. All right, so we got these storms here pretty soon. They're gonna start moving into like Oklahoma. Yeah, they're gonna start moving into Oklahoma here pretty soon. We already got a few popping off south of Oklahoma City right now, but they're not severe. Continue severe thunderstorm warning for Dallas and Denton area. So for Dallas and Denton. All right. But yeah, that's really awesome there, Matthew. Definitely really happy for you. All right. Let's see. So like I said, y'all, this big old pink bracket that you see here across like south central Oklahoma, cutting through portions of like northeastern and central Texas. We are seeing this tornado watch that's in effect here. It will be in effect for a while until midnight Eastern. So for you guys, it'll be in effect here until basically 11 o'clock p.m. So that's the timing for you guys out of it. Reports quarter-size hail here in Addison. Got a report coming through here. Let's see here. Trying to... update severe thunderstorm warning cancels for Denton, continues for Grayson County until 5 o'clock p.m. Okay. But yeah, like I said, there's a big old tornado watch in effect here. Maximum wind gusts, look at this, up to 70 miles an hour, and maximum hail size potentially could be up to 3 inches in diameter. I mean, like I said, they actually pulled a significant risk for all of the hazards here, ranging from tornadoes to large hail damaging winds. I mean, everything here is, like I said, everything is here on the table for today. All types of significant weather is possible. So, yeah, we're gonna really need to watch these storms here. Like I said, this really just got upgraded the last minute here to this morning. Got upgraded to an enhanced risk. I meant to switch y'all over to this screen. Here we go. Basically, yeah, just north here of Dallas. So, yeah, the one here towards Dallas, severe thunderstorm warning in effect for the next 42 minutes towards, like, Plano, Texas. Probably about to get another ding on here in a minute. So, for quarter-size hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, we're looking at just north of that for quarter-size hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Yeah, as of right now, they're just kind of baseline. There we go. Oh, new severe thunderstorm warning just got issued. Oh, you're about to hear the warning come through.
Monday night,
I'm going to go ahead and turn it up.
Cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then mostly cloudy after midnight.
Let's see.
In the upper 60s. South winds
Yeah,
10
we just got another one
miles an hour,
for Eastland,
becoming 15
Texas.
to 20 miles an hour after midnight.
Just waiting on that alert to come
Up to
through.
30 miles an hour.
Let's see. It hasn't popped up yet.
The National Weather Service
Barbara
has
says, hi,
been
everyone.
informed to watch number
Had a technical
one below.
issue with my phone. Had to reboot it. Could not text anyone for some reason, so I got it working now. What's up, Barbara?
This watch includes
Hope you're doing good out there. Glad to have you.
in Texas, Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hunt, Kaufman, Rockwall, and Tarrant. Remember,
I don't know if they're going to issue the warning on the intercom or not.
are favorable for the development of
But
severe weather.
we'll see it pop up here in a few moments.
Large hail and
It should
damaging
pop up
winds
here pretty
in
soon.
and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent,
Oh, that's why.
should remain alert for
Yeah, it's for that one individual. So yeah, the transmitter must be just far away from
Stay tuned
that
for
location, so they
weather
didn't
radio,
issue a
commercial
warning on that
radio,
one.
and
But
television outlets,
yes,
or
there is
internet
a
sources for the latest severe weather information.
for KDYX. There is there you go. Just now went warned. You can see it there. Quarter-size hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts out there towards Eastland and Cisco.
The voice of the National Weather Service, station
That is where it's at. Quarter-size hail, like I said, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. It expires here in the next 40 minutes.
this if you will thunderstorm
But
This a view of thunderstorm
yeah, but what's up, Barbara? Hope you're doing good out there.
area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled.
See, it's sunny and very windy here in Odessa. Oh no, it's been not here today actually. It's here in Kentucky. It's actually been pretty calm today. My goodness though, yesterday, man, it was pretty crazy out there. Reports quarter-size hail here west of Fort Worth. So we're getting all kinds of reports coming through here. Let's see. Yeah, I can actually show you guys the reports here if I switch over to this camera. Yeah, like I said, basically Fort Worth, Dallas region is definitely getting flooded in with a lot of hail reports over quarter-size hail. Is there just thunderstorm warnings as of the moment now? Yes, they're just thunderstorm warnings here for now. But like I said, there is a significant chance for tornadoes too this evening. So yeah, might be another thing we got to watch out for. Definitely is. Hope we don't ever get a notification that a tornado's touched down. Really feel bad. Or we've had really bad. Sorry, we've had really bad tornadoes in 2018. Just showed my friend's house. Wow. Yeah, it's not good. Tornadoes, although they're beauty, they're definitely destructive and they're not very. They're not very nice. Yep, absolutely. Yeah, they're definitely very interesting. But like I said, I mean, I hate to break the news to you, but there is definitely a possibility for tornadoes. And like I said, you know, from the Storm Prediction Center, they did put up the tag that a few of them could be significant. You know, maybe just towards Dallas, if not a little bit south of Dallas here. So enjoy being off, deserve and needed. I've been working on lots of crazy overtime hours, says Barbara. Oh, I got you. Well, I'm glad to have you here, Barbara, and I hope that you enjoy. I hope that you enjoy your day off. Yeah, I mean, like I said, much needed for a bunch of overtime. I hear you. Definitely hear you. Like I said here, things have been really crazy out there. The last little bit. I mean, like I said, we've had ourselves. Like I said, day before yesterday, we had that. Or yesterday we had another enhanced risk. Actually, we were not able to cover because my party. But day before that, we had that really nasty high risk day. Day before yesterday, that was definitely pretty crazy. But then, like I said, I mean, not tomorrow, but the following day on Tuesday, we got another really big risk here across the central U.S. So, yeah, we're not gonna. I don't think the severe weather is going anywhere anytime soon. I mean, it's. Didn't mean to switch that. Switch this guy. Don't think it's gonna be ending anytime soon right now. All right, little update here, all. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, severe thunderstorm warning here east of Dallas, northeast of Dallas, towards Plano. You guys are currently getting hit at the moment. North of that, severe thunderstorm warning here for quarter-size hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts here. West of that, we have the same thing. 7 minutes to go. 37 for the one here towards, like, let's see, Sherman. Areas here, Sherman. You know, so I did something. I managed to, I got glasses. I don't know if they're going to work, but I don't wear glasses. I look terrible in glasses, by the way. But I got some glasses to maybe help with the glare. Oh my gosh, I look like a nerd. Oh my god. Well, you know what? They actually do help quite a bit with the glare. I am not going to lie. I'm going to start wearing these. Because you know how I always have my aviators? That's been a big problem. Is the fact that my glasses, or the fact that I've, you know, the glare and stuff. Let's see, any tornadoes for Dallas? All right, let's see. So like I said, right now, there is, let's see here. Yeah, like I said, right now there's no immediate danger here of any tornadoes. But like I said, there is actually a threat for tornadoes today. Let's see, right now, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, quarter-size hail. You love the glasses. I've never worn them before, really. Never worn them before, so. But they do seem to help. I was noticing just now my eyes were like really getting crazy. That's what happens when you stare at a screen, especially 4 screens. It's not just one. Let's see here. Thank you. It's weird to see your eyes because the sunglasses reflects your monitors. Oh yeah. No, trust me, I get it. I also have my aviators. Hold on, would this work? Oh my gosh, nope, that would definitely not work.
South winds 10 to 15
It's just
miles
way
an
too.
hour. Chance of rain near 100%.
Let's see here.
Showers and thunderstorms.
How does it feel to be 21? No different. Literally no difference. The only thing I know is that I'm legal to drink now. That's about it. I mean, really, there's nothing. There's really no big differences. Continued severe thunderstorm warning for Grayson, Texas. Still.
Monday, mostly
I bet you have less fatigue. It does. Yeah, it helps out a little bit actually.
thunderstorms in the afternoon. Warmer
You know, actually, my girlfriend's mom bought me these for Christmas.
Monday night.
I just never really wore them until now, and
20% chance
holy
of
cow,
showers and thunderstorms in
they work.
then mostly
Definitely good.
cloudy after midnight.
All right, let's see. A little update, y'all. 3 severe thunderstorm warnings popping off here right now.
Miles an hour, becoming
Currently
15 to
kicking.
20
Let's see.
miles an
60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, quarter-size hail
Gusts
for the one near McKinney. One near, let's see, near Hebron, towards Murphy, towards Farmersville.
Central Daylight Time. You are
That's where we have that. Another warning just north of that for Sherman. Yeah, for the areas here of Sherman.
AC 56.
Let's see here for 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Okay. We got this guy here. Like I said, the most recent severe thunderstorm warning was issued here not too long ago.
Thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area.
Towards, let's see, that radar is out there towards Abilene, just east of Abilene there.
Remains in effect.
Which here, I'll go ahead and switch over to this screen here.
Daylight time for
Yeah, this guy is for quarter-size hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts too.
thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Daylight
So
Time.
that is what we are looking at.
Collin and North Central Dallas counties. At 4:16
Let's see here.
p.m. Central Daylight Time.
You're awesome. I feel like I'm always the oldest person in here.
Over Plano.
I'm big, I don't even feel 50 besides. Oh, trust me, there's
Hazard 60 miles.
you know, there's actually a lot of people that are older than that, which
Source radar indicated.
let's see. Brad says I'm 27. Gotcha.
Hail damage.
Yeah, like I said, I just turned 21 today, y'all. So happy birthday to this dude, I guess.
Sighting and trees. Location.
Yeah, like I said, it's no difference. It didn't feel any different at all. Just another day. You know, when you're a kid, it seems like your birthday is the best day in the world. It's so cool. But as you get older, it's just you realize that your birthdays just aren't as important as they used to be.
And Farmersville.
Let's see here.
Remains in effect until
Reports of a flipped over
time for North.
semi near Ranger, Texas on I-40.
This will be a thunderstorm warning for.
Huh. Where is I-40 at specifically?
The warning has moved
Yeah, where is I-40 at?
Therefore,
So I'm assuming it's east-west, obviously. Oh, here we go. Here's I-40.
in effect until
Is that between, like, Little Rock? Hold up. Let me pull that up real quickly. So here's Interstate 40. It goes through Memphis. Okay, so, yeah, it continues eastward towards Nashville.
rest of this.
So you said for Texas, though. Ranger, Texas.
Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds.
But where does 40 intersect in the... Wait, hold on. What? I'm so confused. It goes 40, then it goes down to 30. Are you sure you don't mean 30?
Chance of rain near 100%.
See, happy birthday, Andrew. Do enjoy your youth. Thank you, K-Day.
Some
We'll definitely try to, but it's definitely...
damaging winds.
time seems to be speeding up a bit. That's
Not as
what
cool
sucks.
with lows
Seems to be
below
speeding up here.
South winds 10 to 15
Let's
miles
see.
an hour.
They are what you make it.
Rain near
I'm going to
100%.
GameStop on my birthday. Cool.
Monday,
I don't blame you. Yeah, I used to play games. I don't play them anymore, really.
showers and thunderstorms
I mean, every once in a blue moon I'll
warmer with
play
highs
some games,
around
but
90.
yeah, really don't
15 miles an
anymore. That used to be like my thing, but
night. Partly cloudy with a 20% chance
kind of grew out of it, honestly.
of thunderstorms.
Not saying I don't play any, but
Mostly cloudy after midnight.
all right. So, like I said, just a little update for the people joining. We got ourselves 4. Oh, they just issued another one right here in Oklahoma City, south of Oklahoma City here, towards Norman. All right, so Norman is under a severe thunderstorm warning here. Let's see, quarter-size hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts out there. So we got to be watching out for this. 30 minutes to go, basically.
Of the National Weather Service. Station
Yeah, basically 30 minutes to go on this one.
Dallas, Fort Worth. Listen,
Keep it out it.
a severe thunderstorm
Definitely got to keep an eye on it. Let's see, up here towards areas north of Dallas. Yeah, the storms have been kind of rolling through Dallas here. Dallas, Fort Worth right now at the moment is kind of pulling, or the storm's near Dallas, I should say, at the moment. It's kind of pulling away here. See any rotation right now? Hey, we just checked this a few moments ago. There was that one little area we were watching. It's dissipated, though. Yeah, right now I'm not seeing anything out of those cells, which is good. But like I did say, there is a threat. Now, this guy... Wow, Not really rotation, but I tell you what, I'm sure there's some definite gusty winds. Definite gusty winds that are kicking off. Update severe thunderstorm warning here. Cancels for Dallas. Okay, so they just withdrawed that warning here in Dallas. So this guy. There you go. Yeah, no, that's being pulled out of Dallas here. Gotcha. All right. We still have that one just north of Dallas here, though, towards like Denison and Sherman. I would definitely keep an eye out there for. Most of my time playing video games. Yeah, I mean, you do what you want. Yeah. I mean, if that's what you enjoy, go for it. You know, anything that makes you happy. That's what I'm for. As long as you're happy, that's good. You know, do what you love doing. Be yourself. You know, there's nothing wrong with it. Let's see. So severe thunderstorm warning out there towards Carbon. Let's see, Eastland. Oh yeah, there you go. Ranger. Is that the one in Ranger you're talking about? I guess that's the only Ranger that could be possible in Texas. I got you. It's off that one warning. Oh yeah, Interstate 20, west of Fort Worth. Interstate 20 west of Fort Worth is where that is. You know, I'd really watch on that cell though. Yeah, no, it's definitely turning to be a little bit disgusting looking. I mean, look at that. Definitely some big hail likely occurring on that storm there towards like heading in towards Magnum. Or hold on a second. What? Oh wait, my thing's just moving. That's why. I was wondering why the motion looked different. Here, we'll do this. Do storm motion from warning. There we go. Yeah, you can kind of see that storm evolving there. It's really starting to grow, actually. You know, we're starting to get a lot of bigger echoes out of it. You see all that purple? All of that's like hail. That's, you know, potential hail that's falling out of it. And like I said, the velocities on that storm too are actually quite crazy. Yeah, we'll go ahead and switch you all back over here to this view. I mean, look at that. We're just seeing a lot of gusty winds out of this latest velocity table here. Let's see, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Gotcha. So that is that. See, I'm not into gaming or sports, but working on a remodeling project in my Vengeance RV. Oh, that's cool, Barbara. You know, when I was a kid, we've always gone camping in an RV. You know, it's always been one of the things I love to do. You know, that, going fishing, just something about it. You know, just being out in the wilderness, kind of tone out the world. It's nice every once in a while. Let's see. Gregory says, "What's up, Andrew? What's up? Hope you're doing good." Like I said, there's a storm here in Norman. Y'all here towards, we're heading in towards Norman at the moment. Right now, it's located here towards Washington, towards the town of Washington here in Oklahoma. So that is right now where this storm is located, which I would be on the lookout for it. Yeah, like I said, it's heading right there towards Norman. It's going to be passing in the East Oklahoma City here. Once again, 26 minutes until the warning gets expired. It's been issued for quarter-size hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Let's see, hail up to quarter-size reported in Plano, Texas. Yep. Yeah, like I said, Plano, Texas. Y'all, I would definitely be looking out for this guy. Wow. This one, you know, kind of discreet, you know, being on its own out there. I really don't have a good feeling about this storm here. This is one that we really need to watch out for. You know, I really would not be surprised if that thing does go tornadic. Definitely is a pretty aggressive looking supercell, which is definitely something that we need to watch out for. Let's see. Scott says watching from Emporia, Kansas, 81, soaking up the heat. What's up, Scott? Hope you're doing good. After the RV, finished working on my van conversion. That's cool. Nice, Barbara. See, ping pong ball size golf. Ping pong ball size golf. Yes, Andrew, that's perfect. What I meant to say was ping pong ball size hail reported. Yeah, no, I do say that there in central Dallas. You know, actually south of Dallas here, towards like southwest of Lillian here, north of Alvarado. There is a hail report of golf ball size actually being reported. New severe thunderstorm warning just got issued. We might hear it on the intercom. Speaking of, I did never turn down the intercom, which I probably should. All right. Gonna turn that down for a moment. Basically, until we get a new warning popping up. Yeah, like I said, new warning just got issued out of this. I don't know if we're gonna hear it on the intercom or not, but there is a new warning that just got issued, in which we are going to look at. Let's see, Jenny with a $20 super chat saying, "Happy birthday, we all love you." Oh, Jenny, you did not have to do that. That's so sweet. Thank you so much, Jenny. Greatly appreciated. Very sweet of you. Thank you for that. That was very, very generous. Very, very sweet of you. Thank you, Jenny. Much love. Love you, Jenny. Thank you for that. Let's see. Where did they issue that one warning? It's not even popping up yet. Oh, hold up. Oh, there it is. Yeah, they're not going to do it on the intercom because it's far away from the transmitter that we're currently tuning into. Let's see. So this is for areas of like Stoneburg, Marysville. We have Bonita. Areas of Bonita included. So we'll be looking out for it. But once again, Jenny, thank you for that. Very sweet. They did not put a tornado possible tag on that, though. Oh, wow. Which I would. That might even be some possible rotation out there. You know, that might even be some possible rotation I would definitely consider watching. Let me try a different... Yeah, radars, like I said, they're just terrible out here. Let's try the Fort Worth radar. See if we can get any better views out there on that storm. No, there's most certainly rotation going on with that storm here. East of Stoneburg here in north central Texas, east of Wichita Falls. Let's see, flash flooding possible. Yeah, that's also another concern we got to watch out for. See, keep an early eye for signal. Okay. Scott says, happy birthday. Thank you. Greatly appreciated. Yeah, very sweet of y'all. Thank you so much for the very, very sweet happy birthdays. You guys are awesome. Yeah, there's a little bit of rotation. Nothing too extreme right now. Definitely not worth the tornado warning right now at the moment. Like I said, I'd really be watching out for this one, though. I really think that this thing might eventually produce a tornado. I mean, just look at the elevation, the evolution, not elevation. Evolution on this one storm here. Definitely something we should look out for. Yeah, like I said, Carbon, Texas. I mean, you guys are about to get blasted, possibly by some hail and some strong winds out there. You know, you can literally see that thing tracking right at Carbon. I mean, it'll be there in the next few minutes, most definitely. You know, this big old tail that we have right here is getting ready to smack right into Carbon, and it's going to be causing, I'm sure, some gusty winds and stuff. So, yeah, no, I would definitely be looking out for that one. Yeah, I mean, like I said, Carbon there. Magnum, yeah, you guys are definitely getting it right now. Eastland, we have Olden. Yeah, there you go. Carbon, you guys are about to get it. They actually upgraded the warning out there, too, to actual ping pong ball size hail, possibly. So, ping pong ball size hail does seem to be a possibility out of this one. So, we will be watching. Here, let's move back over here. Yep, out towards Carbon. Y'all got to be watching this one. Yeah, you see where all that pink is on this radar here? That's, you know, we're really starting to see a lot of activity. Let's see, Pumpkin Center. Sorry, Pumpkin Center, not Pumpkin Center. Yeah, you know, y'all out there, Magnum, definitely probably going to experience some hail out of this one. You know, would definitely not be surprised if you did see some of that. Let's see, heading out there towards Staff. Did I see the pictures I sent on Twitter? No, I have not. I have not seen them. Although I did get a report from Jacob. Yeah, I-20 semi flipped over near Ranger, Texas. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, there's Ranger, Texas right there. Yeah, no, this one supercell is going to be passing to your south. Passing mostly to your south here. Sorry that you're busy, Andrew. I just want to know if there will be severe thunderstorm. Let's see. Severe thunderstorm for Columbia City, Indiana this week on Tuesday. So, right at the moment, there is a risk here for Indiana. Yeah, I mean a lot of areas here in Indiana is definitely in the risk here for severe weather. The more west you go into the state, the more that. See, first responders responded to flipped over semi on I-20 near Ranger. Okay. Thank you, Jacob. Thank you there for the update. Greatly appreciated. Yeah, once again out there, my friends, towards Norman, Oklahoma, we got a storm tracking northeast here. We got to watch. We'll definitely keep an eye on it. Yep, heading towards Noble. Obviously, portions of Norman. Which we will watch. Storm Carbon, see more DBZ on that storm. Yeah. No, I see what you're saying out there. Like I said, there's likely some big old hail out of it. New severe thunderstorm warning issued. I mean, look at that. You know, we're really starting to see a lot out of this guy. Ping pong ball size hail right now. Like I said, that's what the current warning does suggest. Like I said, ping pong ball size hail. Would not be surprised if that did go higher. Yeah, honestly, I would not be surprised if that risk did get upgraded. But we will see. Let's see. I don't know if we've touched up on this guy or not, but down here towards Marlin, got a storm here popping off here towards like Thornton. Let's see here towards like Groesbeck. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, quarter-size hail. So kind of baseline severe thunderstorm warning, but I would definitely be looking out for it. See, Carbon got lucky with the hail. I wouldn't say lucky because they were like right there in the core from what it looks like. Oh, you know what? No, that was just that radar. No, I see what you're saying though. I'm sure they probably got some, but it was mostly just north. Oh my gosh, everything looks so weird without my glasses. That was weird. Dude, this is the first time I wore these glasses. Everything just like looks so much more darker with them. That is a weird sight. Holy cow. But yeah, no, I would definitely be watching out for those. Right, I'd definitely be watching out for those storms there near Carbon. Hope you got the safety. Many of just major headache, especially ping pong ball size hail. Oh yeah, no, if you get hit in the right place with those, it would definitely not be a good thing. For sure would not be a good thing. see. Reports hail of quarter size. And Eastland. Let's see. Starshine says hello. What's up, Starshine? Hope you're doing good. Glad to have you here. But yeah, like I said, we got to really watch out here, guys, for Tuesday. Got another big old event here. If you think today's is a big event, yeah, wait till Tuesday. But like I said, I mean, today definitely needed some, definitely required some coverage here. Absolutely. Let's see. Oh, new severe thunderstorm warning. Being issued for Collin, Delta, Fannin, Hopkins, Hunt, and Lamar. Ooh, I also will mention this. Yeah, north of that cell there in Eastland that we were watching that has a big hail core. Yeah, look at these guys. Those are trying to fire too. So, yeah, no, we'll definitely watch out for that one. Let's see. Anthony says, hello, how's everyone doing? Doing pretty good, Anthony. Hope you're doing good yourself. Oh, yeah, there you go. We might hear this one on the intercom, maybe. Look at that thing. It's a big old box out there. Look at that. So Greenville, let's see, Farmersville, Campbell. There we go. Finally. I had a feeling it was going to go off, but yeah, they're towards Wolfie City, Honey Grove. Here, we'll just let the warning tell you where it's basically. Anxious with a $5 super chat. Thank you. Saying happy birthday, Andrew. Let's see. First of all, thank you for the happy birthday wishes. Let's see. Stay safe, everybody. Not interested until Tuesday. See y'all around. Well, Anxious, thank you for the 5. Really appreciate it, my friend. And thank you for the birthday wishes. So, really appreciate it, Anxious. Also, thank you to Jenny, Matthew. Thank you guys all for the birthday wishes. All right, let's see.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Farmersville, or 13 miles northeast of Wiley, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Kind of baseline.
Source,
severe thunderstorm warning.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Sulphur Springs, Commerce, Princeton, Farmersville, Leonard, Cooper, Honey Grove, Wool City, Caddo Mills, Celeste, Cumbie, Campbell, Merritt, Cooper Lake, Greenville Club Lake, Lake Sulphur Springs, Greenville City Lakes, Big Creek Lake, and Cooper Lake State Park. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 82 and 170.
No, I'd really be watching out for this one here.
In effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas.
I think it's definitely getting some pretty nasty signatures on it.
Inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
You know, I'm sure not just. All right, continuing severe thunderstorm warning for Collin County, but I'm serious. That is definitely a really nasty, discrete storm here. You know, I'm sure that thing's definitely producing some large hail out of it. You know, I'm almost certain out of it. I mean, just based off the echoes and stuff.
5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Collin County.
Pretty crazy.
At 4:48 p.m. Central Daylight
Let's see. Pedro's says, happy birthday. Thank you. Most likely, critical dangers. I want to be inside that storm area. Absolutely.
At 55 miles per hour.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
Yeah, like I said, they just issued a big old severe thunderstorm warning out there towards areas northeast of Dallas.
Blue Ridge, Nevada.
We're not doing zip codes right now, but we might do them a little bit later.
Until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas.
Hail on I-20 caused many damage. See, ping pong ball size. Wow. Crazy. Yeah, I mean, like I said, there's a lot of reports of hail out there towards Dallas. And they said even Dallas itself, you know, got hit pretty good.
South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour.
With a bit of hail.
Tonight, showers and thunderstorms.
Yeah, no, Dallas did get some hail out of it. Let's see, new ding dong coming through here. Continued severe thunderstorm warning, 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts for Eastland. They upgraded it.
South winds 10 to 15 miles.
Oh boy. All right, so that storm out there, let's see, west of Fort Worth. Yeah, this one right here. This is the one in Eastland.
A 20% chance
Wow.
of showers
Yep,
and
this one's pretty
thunderstorms
strong.
in
Look
the
at that.
afternoon. Warmer
It's
with
not
highs
updated
up
on this page yet, but
South winds 10 to 15 miles
yeah,
an hour.
we're talking, like I said, we're literally talking ping pong ball size hail now and 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts out of it. Like I said, I definitely knew that was not a storm you wanted to mess with here.
South winds 10 to 20
Yeah, definitely
miles
is not
an
a storm you
hour,
want to mess
becoming
with.
15 to 20 miles
Pretty
an
crazy.
hour after midnight.
Let's see here.
Up to 30 miles an hour.
Riley says, happy birthday, thank you. Can anyone tell me about the storm that's going to impact or be bad tonight in Mississippi?
You are listening to
Let's
NOAA.
see. Well, there is a little marginal risk here for
The voice
Mississippi.
of the
I
National
mean,
Weather
nothing
Service,
extreme. I mean,
station
is it something to worry about?
56.
No. No,
Serving
it's
the
really not
Dallas
anything
Fort Worth
terrible.
listening area.
Yeah, no, it's really nothing.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm
Nothing
warning
too
for
bad.
Clark County in north
Although you know
central
areas towards
Texas,
Jackson, I mean, it would be
northwestern
possible to get a
Hawkins County in
few
north central Texas,
thunderstorms out there.
western Delta County in north central Texas, southwestern Lamar County in north central Texas.
New severe thunderstorm warning just got issued for Grayson.
Central Texas,
Probably gonna pop up again.
Fannin County in north central Texas until
Grayson
5:30
County
p.m.
here
Central
in
Daylight Time.
northeastern
At
Texas.
4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Farmers.
So we got Marlin here.
Miles northeast of Wiley, moving
Okay.
northeast at 55 miles.
Marlin, Otto, Grosbeck.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Yeah, there it is right there.
Hail. Source,
For
wave
Paris,
indicated.
Toco, Reno, Texas.
Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Yeah, new warning in
Expect
place.
wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
See,
Locations
K-Day
impacted
says tomorrow's
include
K-Day says payday.
Sulphur Springs, Commerce,
Tomorrow's payday.
Farmersville, Leonard,
Well, there you go. Yeah.
Grove, Wool City,
Unfortunately,
Haddon
YouTube doesn't
Mills,
pay out to the
Celeste,
21st.
Cumbie, Campbell,
So, I
Knox,
still have a while
Connolly,
for mine.
Greenville Club Lake, Lake Sulphur Springs, Greenville City Lakes,
Terrible.
Big Creek Lake, and Cooper Lake State Park.
Yeah, YouTube only pays once a
This
month,
includes
which is
Interstate 30 between mile markers 82 and 117.
it kind of sucks. I'm not gonna lie, YouTube only pays once a month. It's terrible. It is terrible. I wish we got paid like at least every 2 weeks.
For your protection, get inside a
So everybody who gets paid out there weekly, y'all are lucky.
A
So lucky.
thunderstorm warning remains in effect
Anyways, let's see,
until
north of Fort Worth here.
for northeastern Collin County.
All right, so yeah, like I said, some of these severe storms are getting ready to cross into like
A severe
Oklahoma.
thunderstorm was located over Merritt or 13 miles northwest of Greenville, moving northeast at 55
Let's see
miles
how
per
that means I
hour.
can't donate now.
Hazard.
I know how.
Per hour wind gusts and quarter-size
Like I
hail.
said,
Source,
donations definitely help out,
indicated.
but you know they're definitely not
Impact. Hail
mandatory.
damage to vehicles
It's seriously greatly appreciated to people who have
Wind
donated,
damage
though. I
to
mean, you
roofs,
guys,
siding, and trees.
you guys keep us running, absolutely.
Include Princeton, Farmersville, Blue Ridge, Nevada,
let's see
Josephine,
here.
Altoga, Frognet, and Lavon Lake. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for
But
North
yeah,
Central
a lot of
Texas.
these are crossing from
Now let's check on your
northern
local forecast
Texas,
for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex.
and they're moving
West of
into,
this
let's see,
afternoon,
yeah, moving in like
showers
the
and
south
thunderstorms.
central, kind of
Some
southeastern
thunderstorms may be
Oklahoma.
severe with damaging winds, large hail,
Like I said, we can't forget about that one little storm that's in Norman. I think that thing's fizzling out. I really don't think they're going to extend that one.
10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms in the evening.
Let's see here.
Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds.
Stormy Carbon
large
trying to
hail,
rotate.
And tornadoes.
Let's see.
Not as cool with lows.
Yeah,
in the low
that's the one I was
60s.
telling you we need to watch for.
Winds 10 to 15 miles
You know,
an hour.
this supercell out here is definitely. I don't see any rotation out of it. I do see a lot of strong winds on it.
Mostly sunny. A
You know, definitely
20%
some
chance
you know
of
possible
showers
wind
and
damage. Yeah, look at that. They put
thunderstorms in the
70-mile-an-hour wind gusts on that one.
Warmer with highs
And on
of
top of that
90.
storm, they also have,
Winds 10 to 15 miles an hour.
like I said, they
Friday
also
night,
do
partly
have
cloudy
something.
with a
Hold on, my
20%
mom's
chance
calling me.
of
Give me
showers
1
and
second, y'all.
Thunderstorms in the evening, then mostly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. South winds 10 to 20 miles an hour, becoming 15 to 20 miles an hour after midnight. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour. The current time is 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 56, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunt County in north central Texas, northwestern Hopkins County in north central Texas, western Delta County in north central Texas.
Okay, sorry about that.
Southwestern Lamar County
Had a
in
moment to talk to my mother.
Texas, northeastern
So-
Collin County in north central Texas, southeastern Fannin County.
All right, picking back up where we left off. Sorry about that. But yeah, like I said, though, this storm is definitely very, very nasty. You know, in terms of damaging winds and hail. Would definitely be watching this here. Yeah, like I said, with it being on its own, that's kind of a bad thing. You know, with that storm being on its own, means it has all the environment to its surroundings to be used. You know, to its severity there. See, my cousin is in Garland, Texas. Gotcha. Let's see. Yeah, no, this big storm right here is getting ready to move in towards like DeSimona. I think that's it. Spire severe thunderstorm warning for Grayson, Texas, no longer in effect. But yeah, this one's heading in towards Chaney, sorry, right there towards Kokomo. Let's see, that's a mean cell right there, right? Yep, no, it is. Like I said, 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts possible out of it. And then, like I said, on top of that, possibility for some large hail on it too. But it only has 4 minutes to go in the current warning state, but I think that it'll be updated here soon. All right, so here's the thing, y'all. My girlfriend, being the sweet woman she is, she ended up ordering me a Blizzard. So I'm going to go ahead and go grab it. I'm not going to eat it right now. I'm just going to go grab it so it doesn't melt. Give me like 2 seconds. We'll be back. Here, I'll set a timer for like, I'll set it for 5 minutes so I can actually go up and grab it and make room in the freezer. So y'all, like I said, stay here for a minute. We'll be back here in like 5 minutes here so I can go grab the Blizzard that she got me and all that. But we'll be back here very soon, my friends. And like I said, y'all hang tight. If y'all have any questions, feel free to let me know. And we will be back as soon as possible. All right, y'all. We'll be back here soon. 5 minutes to go. We'll catch y'all in a minute.
Southwestern Lamar County in north central Texas, northeastern Collin County in north central Texas, southeastern Fannin County in north central Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Farmersville, or 13 miles northeast of Wiley, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Sulphur Springs, Commerce, Princeton, Farmersville, Leonard, Cooper, Honey Grove, Wool City, Cattle Mills, Celeste, Cumbie, Campbell, Merritt, Cooper Lake, Greenville Club Lake, Lake Sulphur Springs, Greenville City Lakes, Big Creek Lake and Cooper Lake State Park. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 82 and 117. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
All right, we're back.
Texas.
Sorry. Yeah, we were not. I'm not going to take that whole time to
And stay away from windows.
go grab this Blizzard. Let's see. I thought he said lizard. I did not say a blizzard. That is pretty funny though. Alrighty, y'all. We are back here. Like I said, just had to go grab that real quickly. Anyways, so developing a hook. Kind of looks like it, doesn't it? Let's see. We're gonna switch back to Radar Omega here for a moment. See velocity on it. Yeah, it's not rotating. I do see a lot of gusty winds out of it though.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Some definite possible wind damage occurring here. Yeah, I'm sure they're probably getting ready to issue another warning here. Like I'm pretty much certain out of it that they're probably going to do that. Put back the glasses on. I think Denton, Texas is in the clear. Yeah, no, I'm taking those off. So when it comes to things, it sounded like Lizard again. It's Blizzard. Blizzard, not Lizard. Yeah, there you go. They just canceled it. I do think they're going to issue another one though. Pretty confident in it actually, because it still definitely looks pretty nasty.
Showers and thunderstorms in the evening.
Yeah, back on infrared.
Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds. Large
I mean, look at infrared there.
tornadoes. Not as cool
On my weather app,
as lows in the lower 60s. South winds 10 to 15.
My weather app, it shows rain for Tuesday. Holy moly, I think we are lucky at losing severe limits for overnight. That's good.
Monday, mostly sunny.
Yep, they just put another warning on it.
Of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon.
Gotcha.
Normal with highs
Student says
around
hi, Andrew checking in,
south
and
winds 10 to 15 miles an
Chef
hour.
Mark is with me, or Chef
Monday
Mark
night, partly
Let's say Chef
cloudy with
Mark.
a 20%
Chef
chance of
Mark
showers and thunderstorms in the
is
evening,
with me.
then mostly
Well, what's up,
cloudy
Susan?
after
Hope you're doing
midnight.
good.
Lows in the upper 60s.
And tell Chef
South
I
winds
said
10 to
hello.
20 miles an hour, becoming 15
Yeah,
to
let's move
20
back over here to
miles an
radar for a
hour
moment.
after midnight.
Yeah, 'cause like I said, this is a pretty nasty storm. What do they do with it? They actually downgraded the wind probability. It's still 60. It's actually 60% now.
Central Daylight Time.
They also do have it for 1.5 inch hail.
All hazards radio. The voice of the
Showing
National
40%
Weather Service.
in the earlier
Station
60s.
KAC
Oh, I gotcha.
56. Serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area.
Gotcha.
The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 4 p.m.
You know, we've been lucky so far. You know, knock on wood, I'm not going to jinx anything here, but we've been lucky so far. We've had no tornado warnings. Because like I said, we have a significant tornado risk here today. So, meaning that there is a possibility for, you know, damaging tornadoes. Like I said, possibly for damaging tornadoes, very large hail and damaging winds, probably like 60, 70 plus. So, yeah, no, that definitely does seem to be a big possibility. Face says, happy birthday, Andrew. Thank you. Can I check Louisville?
McKinney, cloudy, 76. Southeast at 17.
Louisville,
Gusting to
Texas.
23.
Okay, so you are in a tornado watch, by the way, just letting you know.
South at 9.
Let's see.
Elsewhere around the region,
So you, my friend, north of Dallas.
64. East at 7.
Let's try
Abilene,
Louisville,
mostly sunny. 89.
somewhere around there.
West at 20.
Wherever it's at.
29.
Okay, it's somewhere. You're in the enhanced risk. You're in that severe threat level.
Southwest
Oh, here you are. You're over in this region. Yeah, there you go, Louisville.
at 15.
I jinxed it.
4 p.m.
I freaking jinxed it. I said, so far we've been lucky not even 2 minutes ago. And what do they do? First tornado warning. Just got issued.
Wind were made at 5 p.m.
Are you kidding me?
DFW Airport, cloudy.
I'm sorry, you guys.
Dew point
I did not mean to jinx everything here, but apparently I did, because now there's the first tornado warning. It has not popped up yet, but
Pressure 29
I got the ding-dong,
and falling.
which represents a tornado.
Field, cloudy.
See, it falls Limestone, Texas until 5:45 p.m. Are you serious?
24, South at 13.
Oh my
Gusting to
goodness.
23. Arlington, partly sunny. 78. South at 16. Gusting to
Yeah, that's just crazy.
McKinney.
Wherever it is, it's getting ready to pop up here, but
70. South at Denton,
yeah, it'll be up here in a
71.
second. Oh, there it is.
South at 9.
It's popped up on my other screen.
Elsewhere around the region,
There it is, right there. You can see how or the tornado warning's not right there, but right,
59.
the tornado warning is not there yet, but
Mostly sunny.
there is a bit of rotation there.
Gusting to 37.
Heading towards like Kasi, I think that's how you pronounce that.
73. Southwest at 6. Tyler,
See, new report on
cloudy,
Twitter. Okay.
75.
See, yeah, we're
South
gonna
at
keep up.
12.
Okay, crash on I-45, including Dallas, 2 vehicles
Airport, cloudy,
because of the wind and rain. Other shows
South at
semi
16. Gusting
spun
to
out from the rain.
26.
Gotcha.
Now let's check on your local forecast
All right.
for the Dallas
But yeah,
Fort Worth
still have an update on
Metroplex
this site here, which I find pretty interesting.
afternoon.
All right, well, we're gonna move over to the one that's actually showing the tornado warning here.
May be severe with damaging
For like
winds,
Marlin,
large hail,
for Kasi, I'm pretty sure it's pronounced Kasi, Kosse. I'm pretty sure.
Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight, showers
Let's see,
and
but yeah, there's definitely a bit of rotation on it. Let's see, correlation coefficient. There's a slight debris. Sorry, there's a slight drop here, but I don't think it's debris. I think that's more of a because there's also a hail core in there too. So I'm sure it's that discoloring that you see on correlation coefficient right across the area where the rotation's happening. That's where the updraft is. That's where the rotation's happening. Rotation happening in the updraft. Because a tornado is an updraft essentially. It's a rotating updraft. So yes, that's definitely that. But I think it's mostly hail. Another ding dong. See what all this is about. Continued severe thunderstorm warning here for 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail for Cook and Montague, Texas, until 5:15 Central Daylight Time. I don't know. That might even be a little slight debris drop or debris signature right there. Let's see where this. Yeah, we'll see.
Afternoon and tonight.
doesn't really line up perfectly, so we will see what Justin says ding dong. Yeah. Anytime you hear that's a ding dong. I can do it manually too if I wanted to. Anyways, but yeah, no, that only happens whenever you hear that ding dong noise. That basically lets me know that there's a new update to a warning, or there's a new warning being issued towards Dallas. Pretty cool program, actually. So it gives me an early view of things. Now I'm just giggling at that noise. It is a pretty dumb noise, isn't it? But yeah, anytime you hear that, that means there's an update. Okay, that was not me this time. Let's see. Continuing severe thunderstorm warning, 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail for Falls and Limestone counties in Texas until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. All right. So, yeah, no, there's definitely rotation going on there. I'm going to change that storm motion for morning. Yeah, I mean, you can see that rotation's been there for a few frames now, so. All right, let's see here. We lost a lot of people in Mississippi, so yeah, we did. It's very unfortunate. Well, yeah, no, finally, Radar Omega finally caught up to the current tornado warning that's in place here. Got a quarter-size hail on it too. Can't forget that. So just keep an eye on it. Yep. So both tornadoes and hail could be a possibility. Also, can't forget about the possibility of 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts out of it too. Storm tracks same funnel was reported. Wait on National Weather Service. Interesting. Yeah, current warning says radar indicated rotation, which, yeah, very obviously is rotation here. It actually might look like in the latest frame that rotation might have kind of faded a little bit. Don't get me wrong, there is still a tornado. There is still a tornado warning in effect, and there is still a bit of rotation popping off. But it does not appear as strong in the latest frames. That previous frame it looks a lot stronger. Seems to possibly be fading a bit, but you never know. It could recycle. So I'm not saying it's definitely not going to produce a tornado at this moment, but from what it looks like on that recent scan, it looks like it might be improving potentially. So that's good news. Let's see. Shadow says, "Happy birthday, Andrew." Thank you, Shadow. Really appreciated. Like I said, your boy is now 21. I almost said 72. I'm like, wait a minute. I'm not that old. I feel like it, though. So. Let's see. Holy cow, Kevin. Dude, what is up with you and spamming? Okay, like I said, I understand how, like, crucial storm information is, but when you spam it like Kevin's doing, that's whenever, like, I just don't want to do it for you. You know, am I wrong for that? Not wanting to do their forecast when Kevin like that is completely spamming. All right, bye, Kevin. Sorry, but you're gonna have to look at a weather app or something. Can't rely. Obviously, can't be too sure on how accurate it'll be, but but you put that on yourself. Let's see here. I got a question or something come back here to say. Pray for me. I live in a trailer. There's storms coming, says David. Yeah, well, stay safe out there, David. How do you set up the ding dong? It's a website. See, so, yeah, 72. Lord, you look really young. For a 72-year-old, yes.
Gusts up to 30 miles an hour.
Yeah, see, there you go. Rotation is still popping off. Heading there towards, like, Blue Ridge, Texas. Kind of where that's at right now. Blue Ridge, Texas. Travis says, nope, I wouldn't answer the email. Okay, I'm glad you agree with me on that. Because, like I said, I just find it very rude for people to completely spam. I mean, give it a second. I read most of your guys' comments, you know, at this pace of chat anyways. Like I said, the last few streams when we did a forecast, holy cow, the amount of views. We had like 1,000 at one point during one of like the first forecast streams from last event. Like, dude, yeah, you guys shattered that record. That's like the most people that's been watching my stream ever. It was like 1,000 people at once, which is just crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. But, I mean, at this pace, I can usually answer most, if not everyone's questions. Kevin was in full panic. I don't know if he was in full panic, but I mean, at least wait a few seconds. See, CC is doing twigs in the air. I wouldn't go by saying just twigs, but let's see here. Yeah, no. What that is probably just hail, dude. Because like I said, there's also a pretty big core on that too. You see that big purple area? That is likely just some big hail that's occurring out of it. Yeah, I mean, there's obviously still a little bit of rotation. It's starting to pick back up again from what it looks like. It looks like it might be recycling there, but that is, yeah. I mean, that's that. I think it's just chunks of ice, basically. I don't think there's any debris signatures, but you never know. Let's see. Someone spams not fair to the rest of us. Exactly. Let's see. Is that 2 rotations? No, it's just 1. Yeah, that's just 1 area of rotation. Still kind of really tight, it seems. Let me see. Andrew, you're my favorite streamer on YouTube. I really appreciate your work. Aw, Gregory, thank you for that. Oh, another ding dong. Oh, new severe thunderstorm warning got issued for Cook County, Montague. Montague? I think this is Montague. Montague County. Whatever. That area until 6 Central. So 6 Central, which will be 7 Eastern, my time. Yeah, but thank you, Gregory, for that. That's very sweet. Wouldn't it be nice if Chicago gets at least 1 snowstorm this month? I'm sure 50% of the people would agree with you and 50 won't. Like I said, that's the really funny thing. Is like I said, we did a poll. I don't know, maybe a couple weeks ago to a couple months ago. I don't remember exactly when we did it. It wasn't terribly too long ago, within the last month or two. But we did a poll, and it was during one of these winter storm coverages. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, the meta skill discussion, just considering updating the watch. Anyways, but when it comes to, like I said, the votes here, we literally had, like I said, we literally had a 50-50 shot. I'm not even joking, between like a couple hundred people. People are saying it was a 50-50 shot. They like snow, and 50% said they did not. So I know half the people, it's right at the half mark. It's crazy. Let's see here. Any streams tomorrow and early Tuesday? Well, Tuesday I can definitely be streaming. I will be definitely streaming for that big event there. Like I said, if y'all don't know here, brief little look at it. So here's today's risk here, big ol' enhanced through Dallas. But tomorrow, not really much of anything. A few marginal risk here, 3 areas. But I mean, eventually, probably one of these will be upgraded to a slight risk, possibly. It depends. Possibly one of those could be upgraded. But yes, we have 3 marginals tomorrow. But then, like I said, we move into Tuesday. We got 2 enhanced. So Tuesday is looking pretty aggressive. So we're gonna watch out for it. We'll definitely be live Tuesday. Not sure about tomorrow. I mean, sometime tomorrow we'll be live for forecast, regardless. Even if severe weather still stays marginal. I don't go live during marginal. I go live usually during slight or higher. But, you know, I wasn't even planning on going live today because of the slight risk. But since it went enhanced, yeah, I was like, yeah, it's too high of a risk to ignore. Not that it's ignoring. It's just because, like I said, it's my birthday today, and I wanted to. I would take off for a slight risk on my birthday, but since it's enhanced risk, yeah, no, we gotta cover this on my birthday. Gonna be here probably all evening with you guys. Let's see here. We got warning in Cook County ? It's sunny though. That's to my friends in Florida. I mean, you guys would understand that. It happens in Florida all the time. Let's see. By the way, any streams? Oh yeah, I just already read that one. Oh wait, Texas. My bad, misheard it. Oh yeah. Well, in Florida, it sometimes goes from sunny to complete chaos in a matter of. It's just a few moments. Let's show this radar here. Yep, rotation's not looking not as hot as it was looking a minute ago, but still, there's a town called Stranger. Okay, well, the town of Stranger is in the tornado warning, and you better be in your shelters out there. Definitely interesting. Let's see. There's rotating storms in the same storm. Could be 2 of them. What? This is not. Okay. Let's see. Do I think on Tuesday we'll move in towards Minneapolis? I don't think so. No, but you got a threat for snow. I mean, like I said, that's another concern for you guys out there is the potential for snow. What I can do for you, really briefly, to my friends up north, just as a little bit of a view for y'all. Look at this. Now, this is a little early, but still, this is kind of what we're looking at. I mean, we're talking a significant amount of snow being possible for a lot of these areas, like North South Dakota, maybe 12-plus inches. Yeah, Minneapolis is kind of on the cutoff point, though. Probably won't see too much. Probably will not see too much. Am I doing zip codes right now? So I will be willing to take a few of them, but like I said, I can't do it when everybody asks them, right? So, as much as I would love to, just like I said, we have a tornado warning going on right now. Yeah, probably not right now. Oh yeah, look at this one. This one's starting to rotate here. Uh-oh. This is southwest of Fort Worth. But we'll, like I said, we'll hold that off for a little bit. Probably gonna do this coverage maybe later. I'll end the coverage. I'm not even sure what we're gonna do at this point. We'll do zip code forecast tomorrow. How about that? Because like I said, tomorrow, just marginal risk here as of now, but we'll see. See, new discussion potential of damaging winds, isolated tornadoes. Yeah, I did see that here. So yeah, hopefully in the middle of storms and just snow, supposed to be a little rain. That's all. Give me something than just rain. Yeah, I hear you. Let's see. Hopefully I won't get any snow. Hope it misses me. Well, you know, I'd gladly take it. We've had literally nothing. I've seen just a few flurries this year. It's been very sad. Anyways, let's do a little update here. So north of Dallas, we got a group of severe thunderstorm warnings out here towards areas of Marysville. We have Walnut Bend. Not Walnut Brand. Sorry. We have Bonita. We have areas here towards Caps Corner. We have St. Joe. Okay, so you guys are in a severe thunderstorm warning for 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. So that's that. East of you, like northeastern side, we have, let's see, Dotson, let's see, Monkstown. You guys are in a severe thunderstorm warning here for 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, quarter-size hail as well. So kind of just baseline severe thunderstorm warning here. Then we got a warning west of Dallas. Yeah, this one I'd watch for a possible tornado. Even though they don't have it on the tag, it does appear that there might be a little bit of rotation that might be starting to occur here. Towards, like, Victor, we have Stephansville. Yeah. Yeah, no, I would keep an eye on those ones. Yeah, this one's actually for ping pong ball size hail there, and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. And then, of course, we have this guy down here that's tornado warned, actually. So this is our first tornado warning of the day here. Might be picking back up again, actually. Yeah, I mean, like I said, regardless, if you're there towards, like, Colt, Cossie, if you're there towards, like, Thornton, and Davis Prairie, I would be watching it. Let's see. Route 7 near Marlin, Texas, had a report about rain going in different directions, likely rotating storm. Huh. And where? Marlin, Texas. Let me look at this. Marlin, Texas. All right. Oh, okay. I'm going to turn that weather radio down. Yeah, no, I could see that a few moments ago. Because, like I said, there was definitely a bit of rotation out there towards Marlin, Texas. Yeah, I would believe that. Matthew says back for a little bit. What's up, Matthew? Let's see. For Kentucky, your average weather is raining fried chicken, not cats and dogs. What, KFC? Yep. I'll tell you what, though. I'm probably gonna be hated for this. Another stupid ding dong coming through. I'm probably gonna be hated for this, but I'm sorry, but Popeyes is better than KFC. Just saying. I mean, just spitting facts here. All right, let's see. Oh wow, got a report coming through from Desdemona, showing ping pong ball size hail being reported from an emergency manager in Eastland County. So ping pong ball size hail has been reported. So, all right. Well, that's that. Yeah, that one's lost its rotation quite a bit. See, 1.5-inch hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Let's see. I don't like it either. Katie says, "Oh yeah, Popeyes is awesome." Seems like most of you guys agreed with me on that one, except for the ones who did not comment. I feel like KFC used to be better than it was. I feel like they've gone downhill. But anyways, the people joining are probably like, "Why are we talking about food? I thought we were tracking weather. We're doing both." At Popeyes 2 weeks. Oh, that sounds good. All right, let's see. A little update on the weather. That's probably why people are joining. North of Gainesville, right here towards like Marysville, we have Munster, St. Joe. Let's see, Corneth, Caps Corner, Bulcher. Sorry, I thought I said Butcher. Illinois Bend. You guys out there, we are seeing, like I said, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail on that warning out there. So that's kind of what we're seeing here. East of that, let's see, we have Hudsonville, Carson, Telephone. Interesting. Unity, Bunker Hill, Garrett's Bluff. Yeah, you guys are inside of a severe thunderstorm warning for 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. In this stream, we're talking about storms and food. Yeah. Talk about anything and everything. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, now if this was like Friday, no, we were in serious storm mode. Dude, last Friday, I was like completely overwhelmed by the amount of tornado warnings. At one point, we had like over 15 tornado warnings, which was ridiculous. Update severe thunderstorm warning, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and half dollar size hail, 1.25 inch. Cancels for Comanche and Eastland counties, but continues for Erath? E-R-A-T-H. Erath? I think that's how you... I don't know. That county. Let's see. Okay, but hear me out. Mom or grandma's homemade triple dip deep fried chicken. That's the best you're getting. Yeah, because your grandma's had many years to figure out that recipe. That is true. That's a good theory on why, grandparents and like elderly people have good food is probably because the amount of experience they've had over the years. I'm sure that probably has to do some of it. Expires severe thunderstorm warning for Fannin/Lamar, Texas. I saw that too. The 19 warnings. Was it 19 warnings? 19 tornado warnings? Yeah. The other day was just nuts. I'm a little concerned that Tuesday. Not saying it'll exactly play out that way, but I definitely think it's going to be pretty brutal. Like I said, problem with what happened last time, and yeah, we had a high risk, 2 high risks actually, but we covered a lot of ground too. It was a very large risk, not just the risk level, but the overall risk and where it covered was huge. Very, very large area. So, like I said, us being a one-man team here that was a crazy day. You know what would be really interesting if one day, just as an idea out there, what do y'all think about this? We have an NWW16 right team and an NWW16 left team. We split into 2 different quadrants, 2 different areas. So say me, I'm covering one area, somebody else could be covering a different area. Wouldn't that be kind of cool? Like NWW6 right team and left team. So that would actually be pretty cool. And then we'd have like the cross link going. That'd actually be pretty cool. I think that would work out pretty neat. Because some of these that would only be during like the big outbreaks and stuff. Because like I said, some of these areas are just crazy. See, you need a big piggy bank for those nickel and quarter size hail. Oh yeah. Yeah, they still have this tornado warning in effect, by the way, y'all. Got to keep an eye on it. It's just far south of Dallas. Think that's how you pronounce it. Up there towards Cossie as well as Alto Springs. Yep. Now, definitely would continue watching this. Regardless, we have about 20 minutes to go. Yeah, 20 minutes to go here. My cat is going crazy. Let's see. Do I have you have cake? Yeah, we do. I actually have a really big cake upstairs. Oh shoot! Got to sound the red alarms, y'all. That was not just your average ding dong you just heard. Oh shoot! I got to show you all this here. This was not your average ding dong you just heard there. Let's see. Storm Prediction Center issues a mesoscale discussion, number 439, concerning severe potential. Tornado watch likely. Watch probability 80% chance. Uh-oh. Ladies and gentlemen, coming straight from the weather forecast office, we got ourselves a possible another possible tornado watch here. If it was my guess, they'd probably extend it into like Shreveport potentially, maybe the eastern side. Yeah, maybe towards like Tyler, Texas. That's interesting. So we'll keep that out here. Let's see. We're gonna switch over to the severe thunderstorm warning issued for Henderson, Kaufman, and Van Zandt County until 6:15. There you go. Here comes the warning. But let's see. We're going to turn it up there, y'all, so you can hear it. But I'm going to turn on mesoscale discussions. That way we can see it where they issued it. So that's the first one that they issued. We're about to see another one be circulating probably east of that.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kaufman County in
Okay, one water down.
Texas,
Breaking into number 2.
Van Zandt County in north central Texas, north central Henderson.
Yeah, this sun
County
needs to go
in
down because right now it looks like
until
Jesus.
6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:20
Yeah, still got some rotation going on there towards Kasi.
Ghostly
Ghostly says, hey man, I live in Kasi. I'm nervous. Yeah, definitely be in your shelter right now. That rotation's like right over you.
Hazard 60 miles per hour.
Yeah, you can see right there. This is Kasi right here.
Source radar indicated.
Yeah, definitely be in your safe spot.
Hail damage to vehicles.
It'll be over in a few minutes. So hang tight for a moment.
Locations impacted include Gun Barrel City, Canton,
Still hasn't popped up on my one screen yet.
Enchanted
But
Oaks,
Ghostly, stay safe there, my friend.
Cedar Creek
Hang tight for a minute.
Payne Springs, Van Wheeler, Witten,
Like I said, be in your safe spot. Either basement, or a storm cellar. If you don't have that, go to a central interior room.
This includes Interstate 20 between
Just far away from windows and far away from the outside as possible. That's where you want to go.
42. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north central Texas.
Let's see. Yep.
For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
We're gonna turn off some of those. Yeah.
You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National
Oh
Weather
shoot!
Service.
It just went observed.
Serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area.
Oh God.
The National
So,
Weather Service in Fort Worth
Ghostly,
issued a severe
my man,
warning for
they just observed that tornado there.
Central Texas, southern Van Zandt
Observed. Let's see. Confirmed tornado is located 12 miles north of Bremont or 14 miles southwest of Groesbeck, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. The tornado is located on Highway 14 near Kasi at 524.
or near Gun Barrel City, moving northeast at 35 miles.
Okay. Well, there you go.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Once again,
Source,
they confirmed the tornado in Kasi.
Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding,
Oh yeah.
and trees.
You know that might even be a mix of a possible debris signature there too.
City, Canton, Maybank,
Um,
Van, Eustis, Enchanted Oaks, Curtis Creek State Park, Cedar Creek Reservoir, Payne
But yeah, they
Springs,
did
Wheeler,
confirm it here.
Falba, Roddy,
Yeah, you can see right there.
Jones, Primrose,
At
Pruitt, and
5:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado is located 12 miles. Yeah, you can read it right there. 12 miles north of Bremont, or or 14 miles southwest of Groesbeck, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Tornado was located on Highway 14 near Kasi at 5:24 p.m. Hazard damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. I'm gonna turn that down. Tornado and quarter-size hail. Weather spotters confirmed tornado. There you go. Ghostly says, love all. You too, man. Like I said, hang tight for a moment. It's actually moving out of Kasi, so that's good news. So you're almost good to go. Yeah, I mean, look at that. There's Kasi right there. A lot of strong rotation east of that. Let's see. Velocity. Okay, we have velocity correlation coefficient there. I think that... Yeah, all of that's just hail that you're seeing there. Yeah, that's all like hail that because like I said, there's also the possibility of hail in it too. Got a core here south of Thornton. You can see that where the pink is. That's where we are seeing some hail. Tornadoes rain wrapped. Oh, I'm sure it is. Yeah, because it's all in the heavy precipitation, so it's for sure going to be rain wrapped and pretty much impossible to see. Update severe thunderstorm warning. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Quarter size hail continues for Limestone, Texas until 5:45. All right, well, we'll watch that one. Let's see, southeast of Dallas here. Gun Barrel City is under a severe thunderstorm warning for quarter-size hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts here towards Eustis, Big Rock. We have Denman, Crossroads, Tundra, Jackson, Holly Springs, Martins Mill, Ben Wheeler, Colfax, Owlet Green. Let's see, Clower, sorry. For the next 43 minutes. But they did actually show you where the... there you go. You can see that right there. It's that big old circle you see on this side. That's where they're considering issuing a watch, saying it's likely. So, we're probably about to get a tornado watch here in the next few... Probably in the next hour, so... Yeah, like I said, about 10 minutes ago, they did put a tag out there saying that they're going to probably issue another tornado watch here pretty soon. And this would likely include like western and central Louisiana, basically eastern portions of Texas, including like Nacogdoches, here towards like Texarkana, Tyler, those regions. New Twitter report, crash Dallas South. Gotcha. Oh, wow. Yeah, here's a report. This was the report that was coming through here from Jacob. Talk about that trailer and that crash. That's the report coming through. The definitely does not look very nice. Well, it doesn't look like terrible. Though it does look like there might be some things on the road, but doesn't look too bad from the backside. But yeah, car should not be facing that way anyways. Well, thank you for sharing. Let's do a little update on that tornado warning here, shall we? Yeah, like I said, this thing was last observed here a couple minutes ago. Never heard of a tornado touching down the highway before, says Logan. Oh, it happens. Trust me. Happens pretty frequently. Especially like long track tornadoes that can cross right over highways. Absolutely. All right. But yeah, right now we got that one tornado warning there. Like I said, right here towards it's rotation south of Thornton for the most part, south of Davis Prairie. Yeah. So let's see, 11 minutes to go on that. We will definitely watch them. All right. Rotation looks like a weak tornado. Yeah, it seems to be kind of dropping off a little bit. Just a small little bit here. Like I said, south of Thornton. It's kind of where that rotation was at. Like I said, it just passed through Crossy. Sorry, Cossey, not Crossy. It Crossy through Cossey. That was pretty cringe. All right, we're going to move back over here to WSV3 here. Yeah, but like I said, they are considering issuing a watch here, y'all. Another tornado watch through eastern Texas. Like I said, here for portions of northwestern Louisiana, they're definitely considering issuing a watch there. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, latest frames, you can really see that activity popping off here. Yeah, especially if you move over here to this view. Holy cow. Here, let me go ahead and show you all real quickly. Hey, look at that. Kind of that's that discrete storm there that's producing some pretty big hail. That individual storm there. Yeah, all those puffy clouds you see, those are all the thunderstorms that are popping off here. Definitely some crazy stuff. Let's look at this. So we have long wave infrared there. Yeah, so storms are definitely popping off here pretty good. Like I said, a lot of them right now are basically just north of Dallas. Like I said, some of these are crossing into like southeastern Oklahoma at the moment. Got this big old jet stream. You see that big old streak there? Yeah, I got quite a little bit of a disturbance. Kind of like a little low pressure system here just west of Dallas. See that little itty bitty trough, just a itty bitty little dip in the jet stream right there. But there's enough energy out there to pop all that stuff off there. So that's that. Definitely pretty cool. Yeah, I got like a little micro low. Yeah, I want to know more on that. Let's see. We're going to switch over here to mesoanalysis here. Yeah, there it is right there. Little low pressure system there. Pulling up some warm air from the Gulf there. Yeah, we got about 35 knots of northerlies. Yeah, so that's definitely strong enough to pop off some tornadoes. Got these lower level winds here cruising about north. Kind of pushing up from the Gulf in this direction. At about 35 knots, which is about 40 miles an hour. So that's definitely possible for some significant tornadoes. And like I said, they do have a significant threat here regarding tornado probability today. Like I said, if I was to switch you guys back over to the Storm Prediction Center, we have that 10% significant smack dab right there towards Dallas. Starshine says, all right, y'all, I'm going to dip for a bit. Be back in a while. Thank you for being so friendly. All right, well, glad to have you here, and you're very welcome. Almost spilled my water. But you are very welcome. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Yeah, so we also got to watch out for damaging winds, too. 30% chance right through Dallas. And then hail. Yeah, like I said, hail's a really big one. All right, I'm going to move back over here, guys. Like I said, we still have tornado warning in effect here for Thornton and areas here to Cossie. But like I said, Cossie, you guys are clear because the storm's already rolled out of your area. Like I said, the storm was initially already in Cossie, but in the beginning of this, about like 10, 15 minutes ago, the tornado was reported in Cossie, and now it's eastward. Yeah, there's definitely a little bit of rotation still popping off inside that storm there. Would definitely be looking for it. But I believe most of that is like hail. So. But we will keep an eye on it. Let's see here. East of Dallas towards Mabank, we have Tundra, Martins Mill, Ben Wheeler. Yeah, you guys are still in a severe thunderstorm warning here for quarter-size hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts here. So we'll watch it and see. New report here. Very small power flashes are spotted by a storm chaser north of Dallas. Interesting. So how far north of Dallas was this? Do you know? Is all you know is just north of Dallas here? Is that all you know is just north of Dallas is whenever that was reported? Let's see. Yeah, because like I said, right now the storms that are north of Dallas are getting ready to move into Oklahoma. Yeah, I mean Dallas Fort Worth right now is pretty much clear. We're gonna switch over here to Texas. I might have some live cameras in Texas for y'all, so we'll look for that. But yeah, traffic cameras maybe. Okay, so we only have like, yeah, Texas cameras are not the best out there. I might have lied. Actually, I think they're pretty good. Except for the fact that they're just still images. So yeah, they do suck. All it said was north of Dallas. Gotcha. What size of tornado do I think it is? Yeah, there's no way to tell until National Weather Service survey teams go out there and analyze with the big old clipboard and a pencil. Basically, just you know, look at the damage, how strong the structures were that were damaged, all that stuff. But absolutely. But we'll definitely keep an eye on it. We have a live camera in Dallas. Here we go. Yeah, we're gonna keep up a Dallas camera for y'all. That way you guys can see like what's going on out there. Here, we're going to pull it up here right now for y'all. All right. Here we go. So that's out there in Dallas at the moment. So we'll get that view going for y'all. Let's see. Also, yeah, west of Fort Worth, we got this little guy. This one's starting to pop off. The latest frames. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, that one's popping off here. Not really doing anything severe at the moment, but yeah, the one to the south here going through like Stephansville might even be producing maybe a little bit of hail on it. So, do I have tornado sirens in my area? I never heard them before. Let's see, got more ding dongs coming through. Hold up, let me pause the camera for a second. Oh, new severe thunderstorm warning just got issued for Grayson, Texas. All right. Okay, we may or may not hear this one coming through on the intercom. We may or may not hear it. Let's see. Where's Grayson County? Grayson County, Texas. Oh, okay. So Grayson County's this county here. All right. So yeah, you guys are getting warned for this storm here, probably towards like Collinsville, South Maid. I'm sure those areas are going to be in that warning. And there you go. South Maid, Collinsville. All right. Yeah, we may or may not hear that one on the intercom. Oh, new tornado warning just got issued. Oh, shoot. Confirmed tornado was located 4 miles southeast of Thornton, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Uh-oh. Yeah, they're basically extending that. So that's heading right towards like Old Union. Or probably we might hear this one actually. I don't remember if we heard the last one or not, but Robert says, I'll be here for a bit longer. Need to go to bed early. Need to get up by 1:30, 2 a.m. Be work at 3:30 a.m. Wow, Central Time. Alarm set with a ding dong too. You know, I need to set my alarm to do. I should set my alarm to do that. God, anytime you hear the alarm, you know, after, like during the daytime, it's just an implanted bad thing to be waking up with that sound. It's just that noise is automatically associated with bad. So yeah, they did include, or they did update that tornado warning for Thornton. Let's see here, Fair and Donnie. So no solid debris signature. Like so, I think a lot of that's just hail. Why is my radar bad over here? What am I doing? KFF or KFWS. It's only scanning lower levels. I need to get like KGRK might be better. Yeah, it has more levels. Oh, yeah, there you go. Rotation's right there. It's heading right towards, like, Farrer. Is it Farrer or Farrer? Is it, like, fair, like, air? Or is it far, like, R? Interesting. But, yeah, like I said, they did issue that new tornado warning there for Donnie, Farrer, Farrer, and Thornton. Let's see. Let's see. Is that a new warning that just popped up? It looks like it. Yep. New warning here just recently got popped up for Hawkins. We have Lindale, Winona, Owentown. Basically just north of Tyler, Texas. Here that just got warned. Let's see. Potential debris signature on the 21 storm. Yeah. All right. They got rid of the severe thunderstorm warning here for Cook and Montague counties. Gotcha. You know what I'm probably gonna do tonight is we're gonna do probably 2 different streams. So we're gonna probably carry this one until like 9 o'clock maybe. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna continue this live stream at 9 o'clock, and then at 10 o'clock, give me an hour in between, I'll do a forecast stream for y'all. Y'all like that idea? Maybe be here for a couple more hours, and then call it a stream, and then do another stream for y'all. Oh, didn't mean to do all that. So far, Barbara says, so far weather here in Odessa, Texas is good yet. Glad to hear it. Yeah, there's a big old core on that tornado warning there, too. I think a lot of that drop that you're seeing there on the correlation coefficient, I think a lot of that is hail signatures. So, we got a hail report coming through here. Let's see. Oh, I have 2 glasses on my head. So yeah, reports hail of quarter size reported at 377 in Alexander Road, which is in Erath, 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 maybe. Yeah, maybe Erath. Yeah, and this was at 5:43, so not too long ago, just a few moments ago. Well, that's good. Let's see here. Small flood on I-30, 4 miles west of Dallas. Sewer drain was blocked, causing highway to flood. Opened back up 12 minutes ago, but got redeemed. Also, small towns and Dallas reporting small flooding. Yes. Let's see. Yeah, flooding's also a concern today, actually. We have ourselves a slight risk for flooding, actually. Here, I'll go ahead and show y'all real quick. Basically, a 15% chance of flooding, or at least a 15% chance of flooding, across areas in yellow. So, yes, that does include, like, northeast Texas. Yes, Dallas is in that region. Northern Louisiana, southern Arkansas, and central Mississippi is in that. But that's that. Another ding-dong. Let's see what that's all about. Update severe thunderstorm warning here. Cancels for Henderson. Kaufman continues for Van. Zandit until 6:15. So that is that. Still got a tornado warning though for the next little bit. For 40 minutes across Old Union, across areas here of Fair Oaks. We have Fairer. You guys are inside of that. I'm enjoying the fact that it's clear and sunny for once here in Western Texas, or sorry, Western Tennessee. Highly doubt it will last long. It's clear and sunny for once. Let's see. Let me see if I'm gonna break that bad news for you. All right, let's see. We're gonna move you all over here to the full screen view. So let's try. All right, Tennessee. All right, so it does look like. Let's see. We're gonna pull out True Color. Yeah, no, you can see it. You can definitely see it's clear out there, but you have all of that cloud that's moving in your way. The good news is it'll be nighttime by then, so you wouldn't be able to really see it anyways. Just might be blocking out some stars, but that's about it. Also, the more I look at it, it looks like portions of Arkansas on the southern side might be seeing a little bit of convection. Maybe some thunderstorms firing off out there. Let's see. We're going to move over to... let's see. We're going to switch over here to this view. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there's a little bit of convection popping off. A few storms, but nothing severe anyways. Interesting stuff. Severe thunderstorm warning for Sherman, Denison, Howey, Gunter, Collinsville. Quarter-size hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts being possible. Same thing northwest of that. Let's see this guy. 1.25 inch, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Interesting. I do want to actually bring you guys over here to the models. All right, let me try my glasses again. Yes, much better. When it comes to the models here, let's see. I want to get that simulated radar out there for a moment, so to show you guys what we might be able to see here. Let's move to Texas here. We're gonna go ahead and switch you all over to that right now. There we go. Yeah, time's in the top, by the way, if y'all want to follow along. Yeah, so it looks like storm coverage is going to really pop off here for a while. I mean, like I said, you can see right now how things are really starting to kind of fire off. But the current time is near 7 o'clock, though. So all the storms that are existing right now are just expected to continue moving eastward. In which in the current view of things, it is... Yeah, I mean, we got a few discrete storms out there. Maybe a bit of a rotation on that storm, possibly. Interesting. We'll definitely need to watch that. All right. Rotation starting to start here in Stephenville. Is that for that one we were looking at? Yes, that was literally the cell we were just watching there. Maybe. Yeah, it might be starting. It's not really anything too crazy. Yeah, we also have this guy towards like Lindale, Hideaway, Hawkins, Crow, Angler. Continuous tornado warning observed. Confirmed tornado was located 9 miles southeast of Thornton. Moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. So, yep. Still is observed here. Yeah, no, that might even be some debris in there. Possibly. Interesting. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, honestly, I'm not. I'm kind of surprised that there's not as many storms that we're seeing fire off here than was kind of expected. Which is interesting. Let's see here. West Texas. Okay, rotation trying to start. Yeah, I already got all of those. All right. Well, honestly, guys, I think I might actually end the coverage here. I mean, yeah, there's probably going to be a few tornado warnings and stuff, but honestly, I don't think it's going to need extensive coverage. It's like I said, especially because we are going live later on tonight again for personal forecasts and stuff. So, yeah, I think I'm going to get off here. Like I said, once again, it is my birthday too, so I'm going to get off here for a little bit. Probably just hang around with the fam for a little bit on my birthday. So, but we'll be back here later on tonight here. I know I was planning on doing it for 2 more hours, but honestly, things are just kind of still popping off. Now, if there's like 20 tornado warnings that gets issued at one point, then I'll probably come back. But as of now, that's just kind of what we're looking at. But we do have a tornado warning out there towards Old Union 34 minutes ago. So keep an eye on it, y'all. But you know what? Yeah, I think we're going to call it for now. So we'll be back here later on. Let's see. Happy birthday. Enjoy your evening, Sasav. You too. New report on what? I have not got it yet. Yeah, it's canceled severe thunderstorm warning. Gotcha. Let's see here. It was my birthday yesterday. Oh, cool. See, 1 day apart. That's awesome. Awesome. Barbara says, "Happy birthday!" Thank you, Barbara. Like I said, I hope to catch you guys later on tonight. I'm gonna be on live, probably like 8:30, 9 o'clock. Okay, does that sound good? Gonna talk about next Tuesday's event, or this Tuesday's event now, since today's the first day of the week. So that is that. Like I said, if you guys have not already, consider hitting that subscribe button, maybe leaving a like here, and like I said, we have a Discord. Consider joining our Discord down below. Got some pretty cool stuff in the description if you want to check all that cool stuff out, including our cooler merchandise, if you'd be interested. By the way, they extend the watch. Yeah, I got you. I figured they probably would. Actually, no, they issued a new watch. They ended up issuing it, actually. Yeah, they didn't just extend it. They ended up issuing another watch until 2 a.m. All right. Barbara says I'll be in bed by then. All right, Barbara. Well, it was good to see you. All right, y'all. Well, like I said, we'll be back here live later on. Just going to spend the rest of my time right here. All right, y'all. Take care, and we will catch you guys here later on. Love y'all out there. Please stay safe, and we will see you guys here in a little bit. Take care, y'all, and we'll catch you.
Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Rest of this afternoon, showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes. Not as cool with lows in the lower 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Monday, mostly sunny. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Warmer with highs around 90. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Monday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then mostly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. South winds 10 to 20 miles an hour, becoming 15 to 20 miles an hour after midnight. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour. The current time is 5:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 56. serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kaufman and north-central Henderson counties is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warnings has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Rest of this afternoon, showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes. Highs